Hi everyone, Gina here with Belly Beads, here today to bring you a new shape called the pistachio shape. I am using my #1 roller, Elmer's clear glue, and these are the shapes that I will be making. And you can pick up my shapes at bellybeads.com, and there's some little tiny 4mm that I'm going to create with it that you can also pick up at my shop. So here is one of the strips that you can purchase in my store. You do not want to condition it. Do not soften the paper. You want to keep it stiff, and sometimes when you do that, it's difficult to get through the little slot there in the paper bead roller. Once it's in there, you want to turn it 2 times. 1, 2, stop, and then you want to crease it and squeeze it, and then just like that, as you can see, and there goes the middle of it. Then you're going to do it once again. You're going to crease it and then pinch it, and that will set the base for the entire bead as you roll it. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and just continue to roll it, and while you're rolling, you want to continuously just keep pinching the sides of it, just like so. Keep rolling it. All right, and when you get to the very end, we're going to place a little glue on it and then rub it throughout the entire bead itself. I'm pretty generous with my glue. There you go. And roll it around and just run it through your fingers so the glue. Okay, you can take it off. Now see the middle of that? You want that circle. If there was no circle, then it would be considered a slider where it's empty. But you definitely want that circle in the middle of it. And just pinch it more to your desire. Here's a straight pin. Now see how it will go right through it? I'm going to place one of my 4mm rounds on it. Now these are already glazed and all ready to go. They look like little jewels. I'm going to thread it through the head pin there and then place the bead. Now I did not glaze this or condition or prime it, the bead, so this is just for tutorial reasons. To get that shape, you want to go ahead while it's through the bead and you want to bend it and poke it right through there. Now I would highly recommend using glue on the end so it doesn't come out, and then just keep pinching it to your desire, however you'd like to see fit. But see the middle of that? That's what's going to keep it nice and firm, and there you go. All right, so I also have these pink paper beads and yellow. I think I'll use the yellow. These are all glazed, and again, these 4mm strips are also in my website, on my website. And I'm going to put a few on, and you can put as many, or you don't even have to put any on there. I just figure since it's an all paper bead, why not? And if you want to see how to roll these 4mm, I also have a tutorial on here. All right, so we have these beads set up. I'm going to bend it again and poke it through the hole. And there you go. Look at that. Now you can also attach an ear wire on that so you can hang it from your ear. You can make a necklace out of it. You can even put more beads so it goes all the way around the wire. And there you go. I'll try it again and I'll show you. So we do not want to condition the paper. Put it through the paper bead roller. And again, this may be a little tough because it's not conditioned. This paper is pretty heavy. All right. You want to roll it oops. 1, 2, and then pinch or bend it. Bend the one side and pinch it, and then turn it and pinch it again. You want to bend it and pinch it. So there you go. It creates the sides for the beads. It does look like a pistachio. It reminds me of one. And you just continuously roll the bead, and as you roll them, just make sure you keep pinching the sides of it so its shape stays the way it is. And then once finished, you can glaze it, make it shiny, put a little, I'm very generous with my glue, and just keep wrapping it around the entire bead. and you want to push the bead off. You never want to pull it. And there you go. See the middle of it? You certainly don't want to have any um, emptiness in the middle of it. You definitely want to have that paper. So there you go. I want to thank everybody for supporting my channel. And if you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.